If you're serious about jumpstarting your financial health and the creation of wealth in 2023, then this challenge is for you. It's called the Budget Challenge, and it's exactly what it sounds like. It's an opportunity for you to look at where you're spending your money and look for areas of opportunity for you to either reduce your expenses or eliminate expenses completely. Here's what we use to track our expenses. So we've been using Mint to track all of our expenses for a couple of years now. It's free, it's super easy to use. If you want to use this is exactly how you do it. Go to mint.intuit.com. You're going to click on sign up. Once you enter your email address and a password, it's going to take you to this page. Literally, it's 3 easy steps. Number 1, find your bank or credit card. Number 2, connect it securely to Mint. Number 3, let Mint do all the rest. Mint's going to automatically categorize all of your expenses for you. So as soon as it does that, then you're going to start to be able to look at where you're spending your money and start to look at how you can start to save money, eliminate expenses, reduce expenses, and go from there. Here's all the items we were able to save money. And here is the total amount of money that we're going to save in 2023. So if you're ready to start 2023 off taking control of your financial future, take the budget challenge and let us know in the comments how much money you and your families were able to save.